this is Josh from MarineMax here in Huntington, New York. Today we're going to look at a recent trade of ours. It's a 2006 19-foot Mako. We're going to start here in the transom. So it does have a 150 Honda motor on the back here. You got plenty of seating back here in the cockpit. You have an additional seat that goes here to fill in the back. So you got seats through here. You got forward and rear facing seats to the port side. Your captain's chair will swivel, so if you wanted to turn around and open up the cockpit more, you got plenty of room to do that. To move forward, you do have onboard VHF. You got your center line compass, toggle switches for your nav lights, your pump, your horn, courtesy lights, live well, all the things you need. It is a bow rider, so you got plenty of room up there in the front. As you see, you got rails on each side, makes this boat very safe. This is a great used boat. If you're looking for any boat like this or any other boat we have in stock, please give us a call at 631-424-2710. Myself, my name is Josh, or any of our sales consultants will be happy to help you and answer any questions you have. Thank you for stopping by today, and look forward to seeing you on the water.